Hello everyone and welcome back to LSGEM, your own learning platform where we aim to make learning easier for you. Before continue, just quickly review what we have learned in previous video. In previous video, we have learned importance of nutrition, what are the main components of food like carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, protein, etc. We have also learned what are the different mode of nutrition. We have learned what is autotrophic mode of nutrition and what is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We have also learned how plants make their food during photosynthesis. We have learned what are the raw materials for photosynthesis like sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water and minerals. We have also learned that during photosynthesis, plants make carbohydrates and we get oxygen as a byproduct. In this second video, we will learn fixing nitrogen in soil, heterotrophic mode of nutrition, replenishing the soil nutrition. First, nitrogen for plants. As we know that during photosynthesis, plants makes only carbohydrates, but plants need more than that. They need proteins also. But protein is a nitrogenous substance. But from where plant can get it? Since we know nitrogen is an important nutrient for plants, it is a building blocks for proteins, which are essential for plant growth. It helps them grow tall and strong. Although nitrogen gas is plentiful in the air, most plants cannot use it directly. They need it in a special form that they can absorb through their roots. Soil has certain bacteria that convert gaseous nitrogen into a usable form and release it into the soil. These are absorbed by the plants along with water, like rhizobium. Bacteria live inside the roots of special plants like peas and beans, like all kind of leguminous plants. But what are the importance of plants' nutrition? Plants are essential for a healthy planet. Plants provide food for humans and animals. They also produce oxygen, which we need to breathe. By understanding plant nutrition, we can grow healthy plants that benefit the environment. Plants provide us food, clean air, and many other benefits. By understanding how plants get their nutrients, we can take care of them and ensure a healthy planet for everyone. Now, we will learn what are the other mode of nutrition in plants other than photosynthesis. First one is parasitic plants. What is parasitic plants? Or we can say what is parasitic nutrition. Some plants cannot make their own food as they don't have chlorophyll, a major requirement of photosynthesis. They steal nutrients from other plants. Such plants are called parasite plants. It takes ready-made food from the plant on which it is climbing. The plant on which it climbs is called the host plant. Parasitic plants have special organs called hysteria that attach to the host plant and suck out its water, minerals, and sometimes even sugar. Some common examples of parasitic plants include dodder and cuscuta. Next one is insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants are truly unique plants, also known as carnivorous plants. These amazing plants don't just rely on sunlight and soil for nutrients, they actually eat insects. Insectivorous plants have developed specialized leaves that trap insects. The Venus flytrap, this one, for example, has hinged leaves with sharp teeth, as you can see here, that snap shut when an insect touches them. Other insectivorous plants like this pitcher plant have pitcher-shaped leaves that holds a sweet-smelling liquid. Insects are attracted to the scent and fall in where they drawn and digested by the plant. Next type of nutrition is symbiotic plants. Some organisms live together and share both shelter and nutrients. This relationship is called symbiosis. For example, certain fungi live inside the roots of plant. The plant provides nutrients to the fungus, and in return the fungus provides water and certain nutrients. Both organisms benefit from the relationship. A common example of a symbiotic relationship in the plant kingdom is lichen. Lichen is not actually a single plant but a combination of a fungus and an algae. The fungus provides a protective habitat for the algae, while the algae produce food through photosynthesis, which is shared with the fungus. Next one is saprotrophic plants. Some organisms like fungi have a different mode of nutrition called saprotrophic mode of nutrition. In this mode of nutrition, organisms take in nutrients from dead and decaying matter. Such organisms called saprotrophs. They secrete digestive enzymes that break down the dead matter and then absorb the nutrients. Mushrooms are an example of a fungus. Fungi also grow on pickles, leathers, clothes, and other articles that are left in hot and humid weather for a long time. During the rainy season, they spoil many things. The fungal spores are generally present in the air. When they land wet and warm things, they germinate and grow. These plants are called decomposers too. These saprotrophic plants play a vital role in cleaning up the environment. They break down the dead plants and animals, releasing nutrients back into the soil for other plants to use. As we have learned that plants absorb minerals and nutrients from the soil, so their amount in the soil keeps on declining. So, how to replenish the soil again for the next use for plants? Just like we need to eat healthy food to stay healthy, plants need a balanced supply of nutrients in the soil. Farmers use fertilizer and manure to replenish nutrients in the soil, ensuring that plants have what they need to grow strong. Fertilizer contains essential nutrients for plants such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Manure is a natural source of nutrients that also improve the soil health. The another way to replenish the soil is natural one. We have learned about rhizobium bacteria. That is the another natural way to replenish nutrient back in the soil. Now, summary. What are the summary of this chapter? We have learned that all living organisms require food to obtain energy necessary for their growth and to maintain their bodies. Green plants produce their own food through a process called photosynthesis, making them autotrophs. Photosynthesis requires essential components such as chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. The end product of photosynthesis include complex chemical substances like carbohydrates. Oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis. Living organisms rely on the oxygen produced during photosynthesis for their survival. Certain plants and all animals depend on other organisms for their nutrients and are classified as heterotrophs. Certain plants such as cascada are parasites obtaining the nutrients from host plants. Some fungi obtain nutrients from dead and decaying matter known as saprotrophs. Additionally, saprotrophic fungi decompose dead matter, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. We hope you liked the video. If you want to provide us some comment, please give your valuable feedback in comment box. We love hearing from you. See you in next video of Nutrition in Animal. Thank you. Bye.